Hi, I'm Carl and welcome back to my workshop. Today I have a fun project for you. I'm going to show you how I made this dulcimer stand for my niece. Now, even though you might not play the dulcimer or even know anybody that does play the dulcimer, this is still a fun project, very interesting because of this one little mechanism here. There's a slide mechanism here which you just undo the knob and it slides up. And that's really cool because only just one knob takes care of this slide mechanism and then locks it in place. So, I think this slide mechanism alone is worth this video because this can be used on so many different projects. It can be used on projects in your shop, it can be used projects in your home, any place you want an adjustable stand or anything to adjust really on any project. This works pretty slick. Really handy. You just go halfway in between, lock it down, you're all set. So, I'm going to show you how I made this. So stick around and let's get to it. Yeah. hope you enjoyed watching me build this Dulcimer stand for my niece. I'm glad that I made it out of mahogany, which is a very strong wood. I like the fact that I use stainless steel hardware, so it won't rust and be very durable for many, many years to come. I'm sure my niece will enjoy using this, and I hope she gets a lot of enjoyment out of it when she does use it. That's the nice thing about making projects. First of all, custom projects, you can make exactly what you want, how you want it. You can tweak and change plans a little bit if you want to. And also, there's just a satisfaction out of seeing somebody that you know use the products that you make. That's a great feeling. I think every maker enjoys that. So, I guess that's about all for this project. This is Bear Creek Woodworking. Until next time, have a great day.